There's a strip of beach in Sri Lanka where the sand is completely hidden, covered by millions of fish. This is the outdoor dry fish processing field of Negombo. No indoor stalls, no modern machines, just raw ocean and pure manual labor. Today we are stepping directly onto the drying fields to see exactly how this local community preserves thousands of kilos of fish individually by hand. Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today I came to see some dry fish to dry fish market. As you can see, a lot of dry fish drying at the moment. So this market is 2 kilometers far from the main fresh fish market. I never planned to be here, but accidentally we came here. We actually came to see Dutch fort in Negombo, but in there we couldn't see any kind of speciality. It seems some kind of abandoned palace or something. So we decided to come here. This is the view we can see when we entered the dry fish market, guys. A lot of birds here, people doing hard work, they are fishing, drying. Are you excited? Is this your first time?
Yeah.
This is some kind of local fishes. People buy these ones usually. Probably taste good. I think it's called alagudwa in local. Look at this. The ladies doing hard work. They are storing fishes into lines. I never seen this kind of thing before, guys. This is how the local community preserves their fish, using a traditional method passed down through generations. After spending long hours catching them out on the open ocean, the fishermen bring the fresh catch back to the store and head straight to the cleaning table. They are carefully cut up clean inside and out and washed with clean water and make sure everything is perfect. Next comes the most important part, the salting process. They stack the fish inside the deep barrels, covering every single layer with plenty of salt. The fish sit in these barrels for 2 or 3 days. During this time, the salt cures the meat and draws out all the extra water. The last step is the drying press. They take the fish out of the barrels and spread them out evenly across these big fat nets here under the open sky. The hot sun and the sea breeze dry them naturally. This natural drying process lacks in the flavor and ensure the fish can last for a very long time without spoiling. We can see fisherman's life in down south as well, but in the western part of Sri Lanka we can see fishermen lives like this, so similar to down south. These fishes are mostly dried one. On the left side, fresh ones putting down in order to dry. As you can see, it's a big area, and this part we can see the market as well. Probably the dry fish sell in here, so you can buy dry fishes all around Sri Lanka. Prepare from here. Workers doing some work. Apparently the small fishes filter from the net. It's a teamwork. Look at this, how amazing this, guys. If you plan to come to Sri Lanka, if you come to Negombo, please visit this place. You can probably see how dry fish work going on here.
In this area it looks so dirty, guys. A lot of trash on here, and on this side is small houses in the distance.
Workers' houses, maybe. So these guys head out on their own with their fishing nets, and honestly it's pretty cool to watch. They just cast the nets out, hang out for a bit until the fish are caught, and then haul them back. If they pull up a really unique or beautiful fish, they actually separate it and put it in its own bucket. It's just this cool little solo routine they do while fishing out there by themselves.
As you can see, the fishermen go to the sea and trying to catch fishes with their net. Then they came back, clear the net. As you can see, look at this beautiful fish he caught.
The workers doing hard job here. I appreciate it. Probably this market got so busy in the evening and morning.
And that part, as you can see, workers cut the fish in order to dry or something. I'm not sure which purpose, but they are doing teamwork on that area. They are cutting so much fishes. So much happening, guys, even though it's noon. So if I came
Here in morning, I can definitely see full of chaos.
they are pushing motorboat into the sea, apparently they're gonna go to the sea again. So this is the life in Negombo fishermen's.
Cool, right? Very interesting happenings here, guys.
Obviously these works are not easy. They have to do some lot of effort doing this. They are spending even months in the sea. I'm not sure whether you can see or not. In the distance we can see some natural boats. A lot of birds here.
The birds have enough foods in here. Lucky birds.
This area is so big. As you can see, many kind of fishes, and with all the way to that part, the marketplace,
Store area, and a lot of area in here. So guys, today's video all about dry fish market. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm gonna end this video right here in front of the dry market. So let's see in the next one.